What's up guys, welcome to this lesson. In this lesson we're going to be learning about the E natural minor scale. Now in order to build a natural minor scale for any key, there are two methods that we can use. The first method has to do with making use of our knowledge of the relationship between natural minor scales and major scales. The second method has to do with using the formula. In this video we're going to use both methods. And you're going to see that we're going to get the same answer. So yeah, let's start. Now using the first method, first of all, what we have to do is to find the relative major scale that is related to the E natural minor scale. Now in order to do that, that is, in order to find the relative major scale that is related to the E natural minor scale, what we have to do is to go up by 3 half steps from the key of E. So 1, 2, 3. So we landed on the key of G. Therefore, this means that the G major scale is related to the E natural minor scale. Now, what does this mean? Well, this means that the set of unique keys that are in the G major scale are the same set of unique keys that are in the E natural minor scale. Now, in order to figure out the E natural minor scale, all we have to do in order to figure the E natural minor scale out is just to play the G major scale, starting from the key of E and finishing at the key of E. See that? And that will give us the E natural minor scale. So yeah, let's do that. So starting from the key of E, see that? So that is the E natural minor scale. So I'll do that again. See that? So that is the E natural minor scale. So what we did is we found the relative major scale that is related to the E natural minor scale. And then since both scales have the same set of unique keys because they are related, therefore what we now did was we played the G major scale starting from the key of E and finishing at the key of E. See that? So yeah, so that's how the first method would work. So yeah, that's it. So that is the E natural minor scale using the first method. Now let's use the second method and you're going to see that we're going to get the same answer as we got using the first method. You know what I mean? So yeah, let's start. Now the second method has to do with using the formula. Now just to remind you, whenever we move from one key to the next key and we don't skip any key in between, then that means that we've moved by a half step. So for example, if I move from the key of E to the key of F, I've not skipped any key in between. I've just moved from one key to the next key. Therefore, this means that I've moved by a half step. So yeah, that's what it means to move by a half step. Now, whenever we move from one key to another key and we skip a key in between, so for example, if I move from the key of E to the key of F sharp, I've skipped the key of F in between. Therefore, this means that I've moved by a whole step. So whenever you move from one key to another key and you skip a key in between, that means that you've moved by a whole step. So yeah, that's what it means to move by a whole step. So yeah, let's construct the E natural minor scale. So starting from the key of E, we're going to use the second method, which is by using the formula. So yeah, so starting from the key of E, we're going to take a whole step. See that? And then we're going to take a half step. And then we're going to take a whole step. And then we're going to take a whole step. And then we're going to take a half step. And then we're going to take a whole step. and then we're going to take a whole step. So yeah, see that? We got the same answer as we did using the first method. So yeah, that is the E natural minor scale. So yeah, that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson.